Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we will be looking at an interesting Python program that basically removes duplicate elements from a list if duplicate elements are present. Okay, so what we'll do in the first step, we will declare a list or take the list as an input from the user. So the original list that I have declared is named my list and it contains these elements. So as you can see, the element 1, 2, 3 are repeated. Okay, so we are having 1, 2, 3 here, then we have 1, 2 here, then 3 is also repeated, and same goes for 4. Now I have to get a list in which there are only unique elements and each element appears once. So what I have done for that, I have declared a function named remove duplicates, and in that function I have passed the user list or the my list that I have declared and the list from which I have to remove the duplicates. So since I have to create a new list containing only unique elements, I have declared an empty list, and the name that I have given to this empty list is final list, because this is the list that will contain the final output. Okay, now what I will do is, the logic is basically that pick each element from the original list that the user has given. Okay, so pick each element and then check whether that particular element is present in this final list or not. We know that in the final list we are only keeping those elements that have not been a part of this list previously, so only unique elements are present in the final list. So every time we pick one element from the original list, we check if this element is not a part of the final list. Only then we will add this element to the final list. Otherwise, if this element is already present in the final list, that means it is an element of the final list, then we will not add it to the final list, because we do not want any repetitions or duplicate elements. And at the end, we will print the result. So to access or to perform the functionality of this function, I have made a function call named remove duplicates and pass the argument my list to it. So it should return the output containing the list which only has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means no repetition. So let's execute this code, and as you can see, we have obtained the result. Now let's see if this code works for a list containing unique elements already. So when I execute this code, I get the same result. So this was all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.